Hi everybody, it's me Sissy back, and I didn't take 3 weeks to come back this time, so this video should go up just a couple of days after my last Dollar Tree haul video. I'm going to show you in this video how to take a simple wine goblet from the Dollar Tree and some candles from the Dollar Tree, either the battery operated ones or the actual candles, and make a lovely centerpiece for your table. And you can also give it as a hostess gift. So let's jump right into it, and I'm going to show you how we're going to transform this plain wine glass, which is happened to be my wine glass, and I had to clean the wine out of it, but I'm going to show you how we can use this to decorate. Okay, this first way I'm going to show you, we're going to use everything's from the Dollar Tree except for this little slice of wood. I think this came from Michael's or either Hobby Lobby. It was like 6 slices in a bag, and it was $6, and I used a coupon, of course. But I like it because it's nice and rustic, and my kitchen is kind of farmhouse rustic, and I just love them. But anyway, and we're going to use this cute snowman or Santa Claus snow globe. They had a bunch of really pretty ones at the Dollar Tree. They had one that had the nativity in it, but I missed getting that one. I really wish I had that one. But we're going to use this one right now, and I'm going to keep looking for the nativity one. But anyway, I'm going to take my snow globe and center it on my piece of wood, and then I'm just going to turn my glass over on top of it. And then you could just, if you wanted something really simple, you could do that and be done. You could tie a bow on here, and that's really pretty, and it's got nice height for it. So, and you could do a pair of them and put a flower arrangement in the middle. That'd be really pretty. But I just wanted to go a little bit further with my candle, and all I did was I took a piece of the burlap ribbon, and I made a little collar around it, and then I tied it with the ribbon. So I'm not going to show you all that. Y'all know how to tie ribbon. But anyway, this is how it looks. And let me turn my little candle on. I don't know if that'll show up on the video, but to me, that's just as cute as it can be. It's simple, it's quick. If you needed to throw it together in a minute, you could do a whole bunch of them. And it wouldn't cost you that much, $3. And you got a lovely centerpiece. And then, but if you want to get a little more fancy, if you're going to go a little more elegant, I'm going to show you how I made this one. Hold on and let me find it.
Yes, that is pretty.
3, 2, 1. This is my favorite one. I just love this little Redbird pick. It came with a clip on it, but I took the clip off, and let me show you how I attached it. Okay, see, I got a little Redbird clip with the little alligator clip on it. I just clipped that off, and then I took a piece of the garland tie. And you could do ribbon, you could do string, you know, just whatever you wanted to use on there. I just thought this made it a little fuller, and it added some stuff in the back. But I just took it and put the twist tie, you know, in between the bird and the pine cone, and then just tied it around the stem of the glass. And on the back of it here, I took 2 additional little pine cones. Oh, my berries fell off. You would hot glue this if you were going to keep it that way, but I haven't quite decided what I'm going to have on my table yet, so I just have this kind of set on here, kind of loose. But anyway, I tucked some berries in it. You could put another bird in here, you know, just whatever you were going for. Some more pine cones with some snow on it, that'd be cute. They have some glittered pine cones if you want to be real sparkly. Then I'm not going to light this candle. Now, if you wanted to light this candle, I would not put the fake snow in here. You could put the white sand they have at Dollar Tree, or some of the white river rocks, gravel looking stuff. That could go in here, but I definitely wouldn't light the candle with the fake snow in it. But that's all I did to it. It's so quick and easy. Now this would be pretty sitting on your table. You could put 2 of them. If you have a longer table, you could put 3 of them. You could put a flower arrangement in the middle of it. But you could also give this as a hostess gift. You could make 2 of these. I would make 2 of these, and they could use it as a decoration, and then when the holiday was over, they could use it as a wine glass. Now everybody knows when you got a wine glass, you need something to put in the wine glass to drink. So I'm going to show you how to gift a bottle of wine and not stick it in the same old wine bag. So let me get my wine. This is how I would give a bottle of wine. I would make 2 of these, my bottle of wine Christmas tree. This would be lovely sitting on your, if you're having a party, on your drinks table, on your buffet. And this is so easy to do. This is just the star Christmas tree topper that they have at the Dollar Tree, the mini one. They do have a bigger one, and you could use that if you had a bigger bottle of wine. And this is that mesh ribbon they have. And all I did was I took a piece of wire and threaded it through the little holes that's already in the lace very conveniently. And then I wrapped it around the bottle and made it have kind of a Christmas tree shape. You can still clearly see it's a bottle of wine. And then I put my topper on it and kind of zhuzhed it a little bit and make it look pretty. And there you go, a creative, fun way to give a bottle of wine, couple of wine glasses. You could do 4 wine glasses, or you can do just the wine glasses. But anyway, that is my DIY for today, and hopefully, oh puppy, you okay? Puppy's all choked up. I think he ate some fake snow. Dog's not real bright, but anyway, this is my DIY for today. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow with another one. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe. If you don't like it, tell me that too. Tell me what I could have done different. Tell me how you would have done it. But anyway, remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And thanks so much for getting me over the 2,000 subscriber mark. I am so pleased. But anyway, y'all have a great day. And remember, it's Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy whatever you're celebrating. Bye, y'all.